back to my channel, and for those who are new to my channel, welcome. For those who are returning subscribers, thank you. So for today's video, we'll be doing a Who Knows Me Best featuring two of my cousins.
Oh, hi guys, I'm Lucy. Hi, I'm Tracy.
Yes. So we don't have anything from Mukbang, but you know, country.
The team is Guinep.
With country and everything, so you have to go natural. We'll be doing using Guinep. So I've known her the longest because we're around the same age. She should know me best, even though it's been a while since we lived together. How much years? Been a while.
A while? Been.
She said a while. Years? 10 years? Or more? No lie, not much.
A lot has changed over the years.
Yes, a lot has changed over the years, but hopefully she knows me, and she should know me.
I don't.
Too. So, first question.
We can guess, right?
Yeah.
And we can just stay with me, like. Be a guessing for me.
So first question, do I have any scars from my childhood to high school years?
Remember one, and it's that number one. They did a night tree, but remember if I need foot back in your back, I get to check it like from grandma cherry tree. When we and turn it up on the road with the bicycle. But remember what kind of lick you get.
Remember that?
And you go up on the road and when then I cherry tree over there, so remember I want to get the lick. You remember this? I think Tanya's getting him foot back. Are you getting your foot back or him getting my foot back? One now.
Tanya say. Do I have any scars?
Because I've never seen her body, I don't know.
I have two scars from childhood. One right here, so right there, so we get it from bicycle, and the next one from my foot from bicycle. Wow, my foot stuck in a bicycle.
And they know about
back to school. That. And then from high school, from my knee.
You're the run job?
Yeah.
Why are they run?
Because somebody there and then something. Okay. Grade 7. So no, I get that because I don't have no scar from that.
You never get no scar?
No.
And I see me and get lick. It's a scar. Exactly.
Alright. What's my middle name and spell it?
Deeja. How old can be? So I'm not expecting them to put no H in there.
H in there.
Spell it K-H-A-D.
Spell it how you dagger spell it. Spell it how you dagger.
K-A-D-E-E-J-A.
How you dagger spell it?
K-H-A-D-E-E-J-A.
You have to get it right now.
Old time people.
So you're not going to pretty it up. You have to just make it bland, straightforward, get to the point.
That boring. Then just straightforward, get to the boring.
No, look, the rest of that's not old time things.
My name because it's nice name.
Hey, you new.
Next girl.
What's my favorite movie? Yeah?
What genre? Or your favorite
movie?
How come you know that?
Guess a movie.
TV news.
Ah, God. Tennis, a movie.
You know what? You know one, it could be like. Let me see. Timo?
That's one of them.
Ray. That's one for me.
No, I never even watched that before.
Me Adam. When is it? I don't know.
Alright. What's my favorite meal? Like full meal.
And no chicken and rice.
Yeah.
Ray.
You sure? What food do I hate? Like me hate no food but name
pork.
Wait,
pork. Pork.
What did I say? Name something else.
Hot tripe.
Me not eat tripe in high school, Spanish. No. So yeah, me not like, but no, me not eat pork. Can me eat bacon and something.
So, you don't eat pork, as in the one
Me
where
eat it
they
today.
cook. Child, you're lucky you hard to please me, can't believe.
What you not like? Tomato. Come.
Tomato food.
I like something nasty. Octopus. Never know. Main type of seafood except fish and shrimp.
Yeah, crab.
Yeah, me eat
Yeah,
crab.
so eat crab. And can I eat crab?
Me can't eat crab legs.
Why not the best part?
I am crab.
And yam the belly.
Me know me not eat the head.
Sorry,
Crab
yam.
legs. Crab legs. But you not like crab legs? Me eat crab legs, but not the head.
What? Make up my mind. You just want to say you don't like the legs.
I like the legs, but not the head. The head nasty. What annoys me the most? What? No. Wait, figured. Me say what, not who. People that quarrel. People what? Quarrels a lot. Quarrel. What else?
Insect?
I'm gonna say. What annoys me the most? No, it is right.
What?
People quarrel a lot. You can't take it. Am I allergic to anything?
I'm not sure. That's a half point. I'm not
Yes,
sure.
so you have to give one yes or no.
Yes, broke uneducated men. Period. Yes.
I think they think it that but real allergic thing.
You're not allergic? But no, I'm not allergic to anything except that.
Not an allergic thing, can I put that on a paper?
Yes, I'm not allergic to anything. Anyways, what's my favorite color? I think
Purple?
this is easy. Yes.
Purple.
Who do I text the most? If I'm not
Yep.
thinking about the gun.
But then,
Am I afraid of heights?
yes.
Am I?
You look like the type to be afraid of heights.
Yes, I am. 14.
You never did answer the question, you know. But
Is
They
it
never-
are you?
you never answer the question.
Alright. Alright, we finish this one. We spend on my ears first. We spend on my ears first.
What is that?
We spray it in my ears before I say it.
Oh,
That way you're gonna hear fair answer and then say it.
oh. Come on, know that now.
What's the best dish I ever cooked?
I don't know. We haven't fried it yet.
Say what I did say.
Curry chicken and rice.
It's sweet and sour chicken.
This is some sour chicken. Am I a morning person or a night person?
Neither.
Morning. You look like morning. You look like you stay up late.
So for those who haven't watched my Q&A yet, this is the time for you to watch it. It's in there.
So which one are you?
I'm a night person.
Really?
I'm not a morning.
Because you tell her. Because big
When? The first night when
Right, the first night.
no,
Last
that
night.
that was because then they doing something.
No,
That's
but
why.
we couldn't stay up late last night because we did out of town, out of my comfort zone.
So?
I'm a night person.
No, night person were down that way there for them.
Last night. But me a night person. Me not like morning. Especially if people wake me up in the morning.
Really? I always look up and ready.
Next. What are you next question? What's my favorite ice cream flavor? I think this is chocolate. Yes. Chocolate. Where did it go say?
There's a strawberry.
No.
I mean vanilla or chocolate.
People actually like chocolate.
Yes.
Exactly my point.
Yes. I'm a chocolate person.
I mean, you have people who like vanilla.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Everything.
I can't understand with vanilla, but with chocolate.
Oh, vanilla. Everything have vanilla in there. So what? True. Why?
But we can't understand with the vanilla, but with the chocolate.
What's my favorite snack? Like snack.
Oreo?
Yes. If you didn't know, this one is.
Well,
That
no,
one
that's
bad.
a guess.
But it would bad because no people watch every day. We know more than us Oreo. So that bad if you know. Who
Them are
knows
watching now?
me?
We're live.
Who would have watched this?
So we're live.
Maybe.
What's my shoe size? You're supposed to know.
9.
What my shoe size?
You look like maybe 1.5 or 1.7.
God's a liar 9. Don't you fool that?
And 6.5 or 7. You buy me one shoes before and you want size 7.
And then you rip too?
Yes.
6.5, 7. But 9. For my shorts up. I'm going to wear size 9. With the unbalance.
That's a lie.
With the
I mean,
unbalance.
you're well grounded, I mean. A big old white foot man girl. Well grounded.
So tell me, all the other shoes.
that.
No, me can't believe. Me and you wear same size.
Remember.
But you got to ask you something now, but I asked that. What was the name of the first school I ever went to?
Hartford ECI.
I did one prep
Kiddies prep?
school. I did one prep school because grandma they talk about the St. John Penny Fan. I'm not know where name. I went one prep school though.
What school number be?
That I first school you go?
Yeah?
I got more big friend on you.
What school number be?
You go before you come there. When your grandma talk about one when say you must go take your friend because you not learn nothing and this and that and whatever.
No. Hope you know that.
Praise Chapel.
I mean, if you guess the name there.
That me I say.
Praise
So
Chapel.
like, how much years that? Hope you know that.
How many schools have I ever been to? Excluding the one we're going to.
3, 4.
5? Or in one way gonna 5?
Take out you.
4?
Oh, you never come to high school? I never come to high school.
High school, from early childhood, go straight up to high school. From every single school, stop at high school.
Maybe 5, 4.
6?
6.
6?
How much?
Because Ingo whoopies at church.
Praise
Ingo
Chapel.
had then Ingo you then movie you know stable.
Yeah, most of our panel is talking on the blade.
I'm saying I come to the kind of thing. Girl.
Next question. What is my biggest fear?
Oh God.
Heights.
No.
Getting pregnant?
No.
Should I go for bunny too?
Not my biggest fear.
Dying?
My biggest fear is not just dying. It's about dying and not being ready.
What? You're facing somebody did ready when they dead?
Yeah, you know somebody ready.
They did ready and he dead?
Yeah, then they like really sick and then they know so they go dead. So
Oh,
they
that-
And they ready that because if he
she didn't ready before she did say she ready. She knows that she go dead. and
Yeah,
she
because she knows that she have to prepare herself to be ready. But if she
Exactly,
was
she ready.
healthy, she wouldn't be ready.
But I don't want to die without being ready. Like ready to go like hell nor hell. I'm not ready.
She never ready to be baptized and everything.
But being baptized means you're ready. What's my favorite song?
The one where they sing, but where one where they sing up a sing a little bit, but from what's that?
Was sent from heaven?
No, that's how you they sing. She they sing one when she said, Grandma Ten say must stop singing.
Oh. Boy, it's all coming back to me.
I don't know. What I think? Fast. Lightning.
Bye.
Mortimer.
Sing it. Alright.
Me even an artist.
What was my most embarrassing moment?
You know, they are singing song and the girl shame you.
Which song would you
Me don't know. And I
Yeah.
didn't say.
From her previous video, it's back there, so you guys can check it out.
I think that when they are singing, some boss singing.
Yeah, singing, yeah.
So that
In my next, in a video that will be posted before this one, yes.
Oh, you're not posting yet?
No.
Oh, I'm sorry.
So it's to come. But by the time you watch this,
you never need to
go
tell them.
watch it.
But yeah, guys.
So my most embarrassing moment was high school singing. in grade 7.
Why was it embarrassing?
Because everybody laugh at me.
So that Mr. the girl shame me and the same thing. You're going like me wrong.
Last question. What's my most prized possession?
It's what I want to no. If you can't say it. I can't.
No. No.
You're here?
They're very important, but they're not my possession. They're my property.
Yourself?
Me say here.
I love my hair, but my most prized possession is my racket.
You what?
My badminton racket.
Did they play that? They even didn't know.
Get out. Get out.
But they even didn't know.
So yeah, that's it. Oh yeah, that's it for Who Knows Me Bet. Sir, I don't know the point standing so far.
No, but I'm guessing we are.
They will watch the video and let you know.
Yeah, guys.
They will watch the video and let you know.
Yes.
Down there.
And just for a little
I'm sorry,
giveaway.
guys. You guys can all follow me on all socials at me.cakes.
Yes, and go follow her business page and Instagram at
Millionaire Aesthetics. All
yes,
the good things coming soon.
yes. I'll link her personal page and her business page.
That's right.
Yeah, Instagram.
Yeah, man, it's Tristy_J.
Yes.
And save up your own
Link
money
below.
because great things are coming.
Yes. Period. Must be in a 19.
You know what?
You'll bite him at the end.
Yes, so a little giveaway for those who stayed to the end. Which friend from my Truth or Dare challenge video would I trade my life with? So if you know the answer, the first person to comment the answer in the comment section will get $500 credit for the digital or live. Which friend from my Truth or Dare challenge video would I trade my life with?
As in a real life.
So if you want the $500 credit, just go watch that video. No, she not left in the van. I didn't know that's a two-person.
And they don't watch it.
Go watch.
You want for the right? One for the left.
So go watch it, guys. The first person to comment
I
the
wanted the
name.
inner blows.
For them there, girl.
I wanted to wear blows. Something there. You know yourself.
I know it's not very same color.
Nice. She know herself. She did it over here. So.
Yeah, so the first person to commit the
Send me
comment.
credit. You say it already.
Yes, so first person to say the name of the person in the comment section, I'll give you $500 credit. So whether you're digital or flow
Or a lime.
then phone a line.
Yeah, but 1 and 3 lime.
Yeah, so just I'll let you know if you're the winner. Yes. So that's it for for my video. So thank you for tuning in to another one of my videos. And stay safe during this pandemic. Peace out.